Today we're unboxing something really exciting, an Arduino board with a few components that are perfect for beginners and enthusiasts. If you're into electronics or want to start building your own cool projects, this is the video for you. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Alright, let's get started. First up, we have the Arduino board. This is the heart of most DIY projects. Whether you're building a robot, controlling lights, or experimenting with sensors, this board is super versatile and it's perfect for beginners because it's affordable, easy to use, and compatible with tons of projects. I've added a link in the description if you want to grab the same one. Next, we have these jumper wires. These are essential for connecting components like sensors, LEDs, and motors to the Arduino. They are super flexible and a must-have for anyone working with electronics. You can also find these linked below in the description. And here's the motor. This tiny motor can be used for all kinds of fun projects, like making a fan, a moving car, or even a simple robot. It's small but powerful enough for beginner-level experiments. Again, I've added the purchase link below if you want to check it out. So, here's everything we got today. The Arduino board, jumper wires, and the motor. These three components are the foundation for some really cool projects. I'm planning to use them in future videos to create stuff like robots, automated systems, and more. If you're excited about that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in starting your own DIY journey, I've included all the purchase links in the description below. By using those links, you'll also support my channel at no extra cost. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know what projects you'd like to see in the future. I'll see you in the next one.